What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Nephi and this is my first time on this channel. So I want to give you a little info about myself first. I've been an Uber and Lyft driver for 3 years. I've done over 4,000 rides and currently I have a 4.94 star rating on Uber and a 5-star on Lyft. And I'm going to talk about how to go to college for free through Uber in a few moments. But before we jump right in, I just want to say that Dylan has asked me to come on this channel. So if this video gets enough likes, then you'll probably see me come around again. So make sure to smash that like button. And if you want to save 15 cents per gallon on gas with an app called Get Upside, there will be a link in the description below and a code to click on to get started with that. And feel free to subscribe to this channel so you can stay notified of new videos as soon as they come out. All right, now let's get started. Right now, Uber is paying for 100% of your tuition if you go to ASU online, and you can work towards a bachelor's degree valued at up to $70,000 and get a success coach along the way. That's a huge value. And I can't think of a better time than right now to go to online college. With this pandemic going on, you don't have to worry about driving in traffic, hanging out in big crowds of people, maybe getting sick from someone. A lot of you are staying home already, working on your computer, so this is a really efficient use of your time. And you'll also save money that you'll normally rack up from going to school on campus. So a lot of good things here. I'm going to be making a documentary of this whole entire process, from the application to attending classes to finishing my degree and everything in between. So if you want to join me on this journey, subscribe to my channel, Genuine Driver, or click in the link in the description below to go straight to my channel. A lot of people have been talking trash about Uber and just been this like static noise, but I just want to come out with a fresh perspective and a positive outlook on life and say that for the past 3 years, I've been able to make good money on my own watch. And then when the pandemic broke out, Uber gave me paid sick leave, and now they're paying for my college. And the pattern that I'm noticing is that when something good opens up, you just have to react quickly and jump on it. So let's jump on this right now. So how do you qualify for Uber Pro to get the free college, right? You're gonna have to get 3,000 rides first. Then you're gonna have to maintain a star rating of 4.85, an acceptance rate of 85%, and a cancellation rate of 4%. But sometimes they'll make exceptions for you. For example, I have an 8% cancellation rate, but my platinum rating is still locked in. So I have platinum status, but all you need to maintain is a gold status to keep these benefits still going. And that means you need 300 points every 3-month period. So that's essentially 100 trips per month. That breaks down to 25 trips per week, which is not bad even for a part-time driver. And also, you can get extra points if you drive during certain hours. I'm gonna put a little graph right here so you can check that out. And if you do those trips, then you can be doing less than 25 trips per week, which seems very reasonable to upkeep that and then have time for your classes and whatnot. One last requirement is that you're going to have to sign up for financial aid, also known as FAFSA, and Uber is going to cover whatever FAFSA doesn't cover. So let's talk about the value of these courses. So I went on the ASU online calculator for tuition and I looked up my degree, digital audiences, and it would cost on campus $31,228 per year. Multiply that by 4, that's $124,912. All right, but we all know that online degrees are cheaper to get. So if you were to do this online without Uber's help, it would cost $15,328. Multiply that by 4, it would be $61,312 to get the degree I want, starting from scratch. The degree I'm actually going for is a Bachelor's in Science in Digital Audiences, which is basically a degree in social media marketing. Using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, the major social medias to market, advertise, and boost companies and businesses, or to gather analytics and data to help grow businesses. And this degree is very new. It's only 1.5 years old. So I'm really excited to compare and contrast someone like Ty Lopez, who has a social media marketing agency class, which I'm a part of. And he is a proven millionaire with real world success and real results, compared to a professor of social media marketing at ASU. Is one going to give me way better information than the other? Am I going to be able to pull it all together and combine the info to give me success in this field. So stay tuned for that. All right, so is ASU actually a good school? Well, here's some of the credentials. Okay, so US News and World Report claimed that ASU is #1 in innovation in 2020, and that does seem consistent with the digital audience degree. Also, Times Higher Education says ASU is in the top 1% of prestigious universities, and they're ranked #2 online as an undergraduate degree program in the nation, and #3 in the world for excellence in employer-to-student connections. According to a survey, 87% of ASU graduates get offers within 90 days. All right, so let's jump on my computer right now so that we can show you the application process. Okay, here's my email account here. We have an email from ASU. I'm gonna click on that, and it says your education is an investment in your future. This is Uber/ASU Arizona State University. Got a great picture here. Hopefully one day I'm gonna be jumping for joy like that once I get accepted into this program. So let's scroll a little bit more down here. Summer B classes start on July 1st, 2020. That's what we want to do. Okay, you can chat or call. That's nice. We got Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. ASU is #1 in the US for innovation. Learn to thrive. Okay, interesting. Let's start your application. All right, time. Allow about 30 minutes to complete your application. Application fee. Arizona residents, 50. Non-residents, 70. ASU online, 70. International, 85. Okay, so maybe I gotta pay this fee. Is Uber gonna reimburse this fee? We'll find out. School info. It will be handy to have your high school and previous college information available. I'm gonna have to go dig that up. And that is my Associates in Arts degree in Liberal Arts and my Certificate of Competence in Digital Media. Help. If you need assistance, we're here. Email admissions@asu.edu and a phone number. Okay, let's go ahead and create our account first. Okay, so I can't be showing you all my personal information, plus this application process is super self-explanatory except for this one part, which I'm going to show you right here. Okay, so after you submit all of your info, you're going to get to this pay and submit screen, and it's going to ask you for an application fee. And do not pay the 70 bucks. Do not put your credit card information in. You're going to click on pay later. What I did was I went ahead and paid it because I didn't want this to slow me down or snag up my application process for some reason. But I called a ASU coach, and he told me that you're supposed to click pay later, then Uber will eventually pay for the 70 bucks. Okay, congratulations. You just saved 70 bucks if you followed along with me. Unfortunately, I learned the hard way, paid the 70, and I don't know if I'm gonna ever get that money back, but we'll see. Now, all you gotta do is just finish the rest of your application, which took me about 20 minutes total. Then if all goes well, an ASU coach will call you the next day, and they will answer any questions you have about sending transcripts or getting financial aid. Then after that, all you have to do is send that in, and then wait for acceptance, and then you're good to go. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. But like I said, I'm going to be documenting everything when it comes to this process. You know, is it going to be hard to maintain my Uber Pro status or easy? Can I find used books on Amazon to rent for cheap and save hundreds of dollars? One of the main things is, can I transfer all my credits from my community college experience into this degree and save like 2 years of time, or do I have to start from scratch? There's so many questions. I'm going to answer them all. So if you want to join me on this quest to figure these things out, subscribe to my channel, Genuine Driver, subscribe to this channel, the Rideshare Hub, and let's rock and roll together. Let's do this. Thanks everyone for watching. Once again, my name is Nephi, and if you want to see me back on this channel again, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos in the future. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub, and I'll see you all in the next one.